Hi everybody, I wanted to jump on today and talk a little bit about communication expectations with a law office and with the attorney once you've hired an attorney to represent you in your case. Now, I can't speak for all law offices, but when you hire our firm, you get a full team that includes an attorney, a legal assistant, a client communication specialist, and a receptionist. I know a lot of people feel frustration when they call their attorney's office and they can't ever get to the attorney. The attorney doesn't answer the phone, isn't available to take the call, and then doesn't call back after a message is left. This is definitely how it works in our office. Clients can't call and reach me, and unless there's specific legal advice that needs to be provided by an attorney, if a call is returned, it's going to be the receptionist or the client communication specialist. Now, we do this for a reason. While we absolutely want to hear from our clients, we want your questions, we want your updates, we want to provide that information to you that's going to make you feel comfortable with your representation and with your legal matter, we each really need to be able to do our own specific jobs within your case in order to keep things moving along quickly. Now, as an attorney, that means that sometimes I'm going to be in court. Sometimes I'm going to be mediating. Sometimes I'm going to be at interviews with USCIS. Sometimes I'm going to be in other client meetings. And sometimes I just need 4 hours of uninterrupted time to do a deep dive into an immigration case review before I send that packet out the door. If I answer the phone every single time a client calls wanting to have a case update or to give me their new address because they just moved or to ask if they want updated pay stubs to be mailed to our office for their case file, then I'll never get those 4 hours of uninterrupted time to review applications, and those immigration cases will never go out the door. I'll never be able to complete a 3-hour-long mediation, and my divorces won't settle. It's going to be a major problem. And so in order for me to be free to do the legal work that my clients need me to do to get their cases completed successfully and to their satisfaction, I've got to let my receptionist handle the phones. I've got to let my client communication specialist respond to those messages as she's legally able and capable to do. And I need to allow the legal assistant to do that paperwork and that drafting for me so that I can focus on each and every case that comes through the door to the very best of my ability. So when you hire our office, please rest assured that we are fully invested in your case and we deeply care about every single client that we represent. But in order to do our very best for you, we have to be able to follow these communication guidelines that we set forth. And I clearly need to get better at explaining them this way when a new client hires me.